we have a water bottle here where you have a little tip so you can get into the little gaps for watering your flower. And you have a little set of gardening tools with the typical stuff you would get with wood handles. It's really nice. And this thing, it's for when you, I think this is for blowing away water on the leaf. I could be wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And what else? A little brush for cleaning the stones and the dust off your leaf. This can come really handy. And this thing. You have two little shovels here for adding more soil in it. And one of them has this thing where you can poke a hole on the soil for making some space for your roots. And you have another thing here where when you want to take out the plant, you can go into the plant root and cut off the excess leaves and stems you don't want and take it out with this side, like that. You have two more tweezers in here. One, it feels a little loose, and this thing has a little gap on the top even though when you're closing it. So this is for holding the plant when you are planting it into the soil. And this one, where you clearly get more precision on the tip, is for pulling out the dead leaves when you want to clean your plant and don't want to remove them. And the last one, oh, it's not the last one. And this is another shovel where, or I guess it could be, you could use it for water or soil, just to add whatever you need into your pot. And the last thing in this bag is a little scissors. Well, this one, I don't know how well it will work, but it seems pretty sharp. And this is the whole set.